we are in the largest event in the world of cleaning in general, and in the middle of this large event, we organize this healthcare cleaning forum and laboratory. So it's absolutely unique. It has never been done before, and it's really a great experience.
More people have to be educated. Until now, a lot of people are not trained, not well trained. We want to train them every year. We want a permanent education. That's the future. You can't clean in a hospital without a certificate, and you have to renew your certificate every year.
Up to 80% of all transmitted incidents in a hospital are occurred by hands.
As much as we try, as much effort as we put into cleaning and disinfecting, we don't always clean everything the way we should.
Infection in the hospital is becoming a big health issue. It kills more people than the diabetes, for instance, or that some cancer.
We need to develop guidelines to make sure that these guidelines are useful all over the world in healthcare. We need to develop implementation strategy. We need to educate people. We need to convince the CEOs and other people of the benefit of better cleaning in healthcare.
It's fantastic to be here, all enthusiastic people, a lot of questions, a lot of countries from all over the world, and they're all very, very interested in what we're doing here.
We'll see you in 2 years.